Hi, hi, hi. How is everyone today? How are you all doing on this Monday afternoon? I was about to say Monday morning, but I've been singing all morning. So it's Monday afternoon. I hope you are all really, really, really well. For anybody who doesn't know, I am Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my absolutely flipping gorgeous daughter, Sapphire. Now, I am super excited because it's here. It's arrived. It is the November Whiff box. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? In the box this month. What have we got? What have we got? We are going to open it together. I always think I should loosen this before I come on, and I never remember to. So, first of all, as I disappear behind the box, I'm assuming it says what it normally does. Yes, it does. Sent with love. One of these days it will confuse me and they'll have something different. But I love that it is sent with love. How flipping gorgeous is that? Okay, but that's not the main reason we're here, is it? We want to see what good is. We have. Which way am I going? With the box. Oh, my word. Let's have a little look. This is a little teaser. It says, deck the halls with fragrance. I love that little play on words there. We've included festive fragrance and the cutest mini warmer. Eek! Can't wait. Only available this season in your November Whiff box. So the only way to get this gorgeous mini warmer that I'm going to show you, because we have had a sneak peek of this, I'm desperate to get my hands on it because, well, I'll tell you why I'm desperate in a minute. These specially selected products are just what you need to embrace the spirit of the most wonderful time of the year. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Feeling festive already. I'm singing that with my choir currently. We're getting ready for our Christmas performances. So there we go. So would you like to see what's in this? I'm sure you would. Otherwise, why else are you watching me? Let's have a little dive in then. Let me put it down. So I'm going to start with a non-wax product. I'm going to finish with the thing I'm most looking forward to. We have got some hand cream, and this is Tinselberry. Now, I love Tinselberry because this is quite a fruity fragrance. So Tinselberry is strawberries and cranberries, and it's also got like a sugar, a sweet sugar fragrance to it. So this is really sweet, and how beautiful to have a lovely hand cream in our Whiff box just in time for those colder months when your hands are more likely to feel, I don't know about you, but my hands get more cracked and sore in the winter. So using our hand cream is just incredible. It stops all that cracking and everything. It is super moisturizing. It lasts forever. I've got hand creams. I've got one by my bed. I've got one by where I sit in the living room. One on my desk just here. I've got them in the downstairs loo by the sink. I've got them all over the place so that I can always use a little bit of our hand cream because it is so flipping good and lasts for ages and ages and ages. One of the ones I've got on my desk, I think I've had on my desk for about 4 years. That's how long it's lasted, and I do use it regularly. So we have got our Tinselberry hand cream. That is beautiful. Right, then we've got at one of our scent circles, and look at this, it's not a circle, it's a little Christmas cottage. How super cute is that? So scent circles are great. You can hang them in your car, pop them in your wardrobe, pop them in a drawer, even hang them in like a downstairs loo if you've got a little space like that. So anything like that, you can pop them in. And this is from, we've got a new collection coming that I haven't shared with you yet, but we've got a new collection coming in a couple of weeks. It's called Scentspiration's Christmas Cottage, and this is one of the fragrances in there. So I know this is Christmas Cottage cider. It's got like quite a sweet one. So there's some honey vibes going on in there. Mulled spices, Valencia orange. So it's going to be quite fruity and citrusy, and cinnamon sticks as well. So how flipping gorgeous. That will make your car smell so flipping Christmassy. It is unbelievable. Lush. So that is Christmas Cottage cider in a scent circle. So we've got hand cream, scent circle. We have got bar of wax number 1. Now, I am already loving this. Caramel praline cake, praline cake. Not sure. Not sure. But this one is actually in our Scentspirations collection. And I'm already loving this. So this is praline, vanilla, caramel drizzle. Oh, it ticks every box for me because I love bakery fragrances. So this is flipping gorgeous. So that's caramel praline cake, bar number 1. Bar number 2 is one of our returning Christmassy ones. That is Sleigh Ride. This is a lovely one. If you like quite fresh fragrances, so this is piney, fir needles, that sort of fragrance, crisp, crisp, fresh, piney, that sort of fragrance, that's Sleigh Ride. So if you love those fresh ones, this is going to float your boat. And I think there's a bit of cranberry in this one as well, so just to give it a fruity edge as well. Okay, and then, oh, I've not smelt this one before, so I'm going to have a little sniff. Meet at the Mistletoe. Meet at the Mistletoe. I suspect this is going to be quite piney again. So this is next month's scent of the month. So this is the scent of the month for December. Can't actually open it. Scent of the month for December. Okay, and we're getting a little sneak peek in our November Whiff box. So that is rather exciting. So let's have a little sniff. Oh, okay. So it is quite fresh, but there's definitely more of a fruity. I'm going to give it a little rub. Sometimes, particularly because this literally arrived, it had just arrived when I got home from singing this morning. Sometimes it's been really cold on the van, I expect, overnight. Now there's something fruity in there. I'm thinking like cherries or some sort of berry, something berry-y in there. Nice. Okay, so that's fresh, but also with that fruitiness to it as well. So that is Meet Me at the Mistletoe. Okay, so we've got 3 bars of wax. 3 bars of wax. How amazing is that in our Whiff box? So these retail at £7.25 each. Your hand cream is £11. The Christmas Cottage scent circles are £3.75. Okay, so bearing in mind you pay £42 for the Whiff box, and we still haven't got to the star product. So I have a warmer base, so it's a mini warmer coming. And here it is. Oh my goodness. He's called Baby Tux. Baby Tux. Let's get it out because I am so super excited. So one of my favourite animals of all times is penguins. My kids, when they were little, they brought me things to do with penguins. I'd got penguins, like stuffed penguins. I'd got, not real stuffed penguins, like toy stuffed penguins, I mean. Don't want a real stuffed one, that would be very sad. So I got toy penguins, let's put it that way. Penguin ornaments. I've got a bit of a thing about purple. Most of you will probably know that because I wear things that are purple. So I had a motorbike years ago. For anybody who doesn't know, I ride a motorbike. I've currently got a Kawasaki Vulcan, but I had a Kawasaki Eliminator, which was purple, and I called that the Purple Penguin. And we have a pub in our garden, just a little pub shed, which we absolutely love. And that is called the Purple Penguin Inn. So I do love penguins. There's lots of penguin references in our little pub shed. And look, oh my word. How absolutely gorgeous is this little mini warmer? Oh my word, look at that. So this is exclusive to the Whiff box. You cannot buy this separately. If you want this penguin mini warmer, you have to buy the Whiff box. And let's face it, what's not to love about this Whiff box with everything you get in there? I haven't done the maths in my head. I know how much it's worth. It's worth £66.50 and you're getting it for £42. Oh, wow. How super cute is Baby Tux. And when the light comes on, I don't know if you can see, there's some little holes in the back. So when it's lit and warming the wax, which will go in his little hat here, you will get some light coming out the back of this. Okay, so it's a little ceramic one, so it won't glow or anything, but you will get some light coming out the back, out of those little holes. I will be setting this up in my kitchen probably by the end of today. I've got to go back out and do some more music, but by the end of the day this will be set up in the kitchen because I can't flipping wait, and I will take some photos and share them. But if you would like to get one of our Whiff boxes, so we know we've got a mini warmer, we've got that gorgeous hand cream, we have got a scent circle, which isn't a circle, it's a scent cottage, there we are, and we have got 3 bars of flipping incredible wax. Amazing. What is not to love about our Whiff box this month? Oh, I adore them. I adore them every month. I always get very, very excited. And we know from going forwards, we're going to always get an exclusive item in the Whiff box. And that is a penguin mini warmer this month. Amazing. Right, if you would like one, pop me a message. I will pop the link as well on here for you to be able to grab one directly through our website if you'd like to do that. Or message me and get me to get one for you. All right, my loves. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm going to go off and go live on our team page and talk about a Whiff box. All right, you take care, my loves. Mwah, loads of love. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your Monday.